Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to unfriend someone in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top side corner. The next thing you need to do is to go to my friends. So click on my friends right here. And the next thing you need to do is to select a contact. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on their username. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to go to manage friendship. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on remove friend. Are you sure you want to remove as a friend? Next thing you need to do is to simply click on remove. And by the time you go back to your friend list, they will be totally removed. So go back to my friends and you can see they are no longer here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to unfriend or how to remove someone in your friend list in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.